Welcome back, I hope all is well. Today I'm gonna make a really quick video, and I know I haven't been here in a while, and today I'm gonna talk about this. Oh, not that, that's a flat pretzel from Costco. If you're looking for a good snack, then you should go to Costco and get the flat pretzels. But today, I'm actually going to talk to you about this right here. You see that? Let's get the focus. That right there is the world's best So this right here, this is an Anker phone charger. Anker is the brand. I got it on Amazon. I think it was around $30 to $45. I'll put the link down below in the description. But what makes this charger so special? Well, this charger also acts as a stand. So it's a MagSafe charger. I don't know exactly what that means other than the phones that have the magnet on the back. Like if you can stick things to the back of your phone, I think most new iPhones have that, then your phone sticks just like right here and it becomes a stand. So if you're a therapist in private practice and you're looking for a good phone stand, this is right here. You just stick it on, there it goes. Not only will it be a stand for your phone, but it's also charging your phone. Also, you get the one that has this little base right here, and this allows you to charge your AirPods as well. One thing that's important to know is that you do have to plug this thing in. So you plug that in right here, it takes a standard USB-C. And then once that's plugged in, you then go ahead and just stick your phone on there and there it goes, it's charging. You can also use this for Zoom sessions and things like that. It twists and turns so you can tilt your phone horizontally, you can have it vertically. This has been one of the best purchases I've made in my entire time in private practice. Anyway, I hope this is helpful for you. I hope you learned something and I look forward to seeing you soon.